What's going on, guys? Amos from Streetwise here. We're down in Las Vegas at the SEMA 2018 show at the GYEON booth. I'm here with Jeff McEachran from GYEON Quartz US. He's the national brand manager. He's going to run us through some of the new products that we're releasing here at the show. Here you go, Jeff.
Awesome, man. Thank you, brother. Good to see you as always, man. Yeah, so the biggest thing, the most complete system coming out of the GYEON line for 19 will be the marine products. Well over a year in development. Specific coating and protection for each surface, gel coat specific coating, going to be available in both a 100 and 200 mil size variant. Teak specific coating, which is something that fades and goes white quickly, especially in saltwater vessels. On the protection end, we've got a step 1 and a step 2 polish, so a light and a medium cut for removing oxidation and marring out of gel coat surfaces. Specific metal polish for marine use. To get surfaces in proper order. Down here we've got kind of our washes that's going to be similar to bathe, so pH neutral, high lubricity, just great all-around wash technique. You got vinyl cleaner and fabric coat for protection there, and then all the way up top, degreasers to pull out the oils of the polishes out of the gel coat before you're going to coat it into maintenance, which is going to be similar for to cure on the automotive side. And then a glass cleaner, safe for plexiglass, isinglass, any kind of softer glass materials around the boat. So it should be a really good system. Excited to get it in the country. We should have it available January 19. Everything's about ready at the factory. Get it on a boat, 6 to 8 weeks it's here. So looking forward to next boating season having some of this present and available.
So guys, just to touch on a few more products in the GYEON line, new for 2018. We've had the polishes and compounds out for a while now. They're doing fantastically, water-based, real high quality abrasives, very easy to use, great cycle time, really easy wipe off. Compound Plus at the heavy end, into compound for mid-level polishes, polish for your finishing paste, and then primer, which is actually a silica-based product that was also serve as a fine finishing polish. No fillers in that, just a great way to lay down an early layer of silica to build coatings up over and use in your finishing process. But what to really touch on in this sense is the pads. So we finished the complete line of pads this year. We've got 4 levels of cut, all foam, 3 different sizes, designed specifically for both rotary and DA use. So really nice foam pads. We're enjoying that. But on this side of the fence, I think the coolest product coming out for 19 is the PPF Renew. This is something really unique on the market and something I think that's really going to come into play with the popularity of paint protection film and coatings as a pairing. So this product is designed to cleanse and renew your clear bra, your paint protection film, which we know is a very soft and porous surface, easily contaminated even with a coating in play. So this is going to chemically renew that film surface, not overly abrasive. The biggest abrasive in this combination would be the pad you're using, but this is going to chemically exfoliate, get that film back to a good level of performing, get the clarity back, getting any staining out, remove any oxidation. So this PPF Renew is going to be a really cool product. Super easy to use. Pair it with the GYEON white finishing pad, a normal DA that you'd have at home, easy wipe off, fast application, and it's just going to keep your film really healthy and performing its best. So pumped about this product. Watch for this to come out, and if you've got a car with clear bra in place, definitely be looking to have a bit of PPF Renew in the garage. You guys want to take a few minutes to talk about GYEON Q2M Primer. This is a really advanced product that has a couple really cool functions that isn't talked about a lot in the market yet, so I'm excited to kind of get this out there and chat about it. So this is the finest finishing paste in the full polishing range, but it also includes silica content, so it will leave behind a layer of SiO2 to build up on. It serves a couple purposes. The real intent is to be able to skip the prep stage on an overly finicky paint system. It's a water-based product that if you use it as your final finish and you wait more than 24 hours, you can go straight to coating. And what that does is keep you from wiping down that finicky paint system again with something like Q2 Prep where you could possibly introduce marring. So if you've got super soft paint, you just don't want to introduce any micro marring, but you're going to go to coating and you know you need a good safe surface to coat over long term, use primer as your final finishing polish. Allow allow 24 hours for this primer to dry, and then you can go straight to coating with no issue or detraction in performance. This does not have the same oils as a finishing polish would that would inhibit the bond of the coating to the paint. So primer as your finishing polish, wait 24 hours, go straight to coating, and you can avoid the prep step. Now, if you want to just take a coating that you have and extend the durability, extend the life, use primer as that substrate. Same thing. Final finishing polish is going to be done with primer. Wait at least 15 minutes, and the silica content in this will be safe and dry on the paint. Then go over with prep. You're going to remove the oils, you're going to remove the lubricants, and then straight on to coating. So if you're doing something like can coat, where you just want a super quick and easy installation, 20 minutes around the car, underlie that with primer as your final finish, and you're going to extend the life of that can coat. It's going to be easier to lay down, and you're going to give it a bit more durability. So a couple really cool uses for this product. Very user-friendly. Pair it with a fine finishing polish, an NEDA or a rotary of your choice. Great cycle, great working time, easy wipe off. It's going to leave behind a layer of silica dioxide that you can then build up coating layers off. So definitely something worth to check out in the GYEON line. So GYEON Quartz Q2M Quick Detailer, something a lot of people have been asking for out of the GYEON line for quite some time, and it's here. So this is a light and super easy way to remove light dusting, light surface contaminant from your surface without a full wash, right? So you get to a car show, you've got some dust accumulation in the garage. This is a true quick detailer, very, very high in terms of lubrication, very safe for the paint's finish, super easy to use, direct sun in the shade, the wipe off is going to be super, super easy. So we do have a full-blown quick detailer from the GYEON Quartz line to maintain coated and non-coated vehicles. So super excited about this. Again, GYEON Quartz Q2M Quick Detailer. So GYEON Quartz Q2M Tire Cleaner. We talk a lot about Q2 tire, different tire dressings, how to get a matte and satin finish. What we don't always explore is the necessity to properly decontaminate that tire before you're going to apply this layer of sealant or protectant. So Q2M Tire Cleaner is specifically designed to remove existing dressings, existing protectants out of the rubber of the tire so you can apply something long-term like Q2 tire. And that's the right way to do it. Q2 tire will absolutely give you the durability, the look, and the performance you're looking for, but it must be clean. You need a clean substrate, no different than you would want a clean surface to apply a long-term coating. So tire cleaner is going to perform that service. It will also act as a great wheel cleaner, so feel free to use it all at once. But Q2M Tire Cleaner is there to prep those tires, get them ready for long-term protection of Q2 tire. The new addition, GYEON Quartz Q2M Tire Express. Really excited about this product. Q2 tire is still a main staple of the GYEON line. It works fantastically, but somebody looking for something a little easier to apply, Tire Express might fit that bill. Dry or wet application, very easy wipe on, nice satin matte finish, tons of repellency, great tire sealant, just very, very easy to use, high performing tire dressing out of Q2M Tire Express. GYEON Quartz Q2M microfiber applicators. Really cool addition to the way we're going to apply our long-term protection products. This can be used really anywhere around the car, from your leather cleaners to your wheel coatings to your paint coatings. So these are designed to slip over your fingers and have a really safe, effective way to apply coatings, and something different from the suede and the block technique that might not fit for people well. So definitely check out these new microfiber applicators from GYEON Quartz. Really going to play into how we apply long-term protective products. Brand new addition to the GYEON Quartz lineup, Q2M leather kits. So we've got two completely put together kits in both a strong and a mild version. We've got leather cleaners, we've got an awesome wooden handled leather brush, you've got a microfiber applicator, as well as Q2 leather coat. So depending on the severity of the contamination in your leather, go with the strong or mild version of the cleaner, and you've got an all-in-one kit to protect and clean the leather. To complement the kits, GYEON Quartz also split the leather cleaner into a mild and strong version. So we've now got GYEON Quartz Q2M leather cleaner, mild and strong. It is done in a liquid, so spray onto an applicator or directly onto the leather surface, agitate as necessary, and wipe up. But now, if you need a little heavier cut out of your leather cleaner, we've got strong, and if you have some lighter leather, newer leather you want to keep clean, Q2M leather cleaner, mild is going to make that happen.